Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody...
So guys, according to you guys' request, I will be recreating this look I created, I think 2013 or 2014, I can't remember. I used to feel my eyebrow game and my and my eyeshadow game that time, but I don't know if you guys can see, but I would insert the picture, this picture actually, I'll insert it in this video somewhere around here or here, so that you guys will see the look I'm trying to recreate. So like always, I've done my eyebrow off camera, so I'll just jump right into it. So I'm going to be transitioning with my blush palette from House of Tara. I'm just going right into it, and this video I'm going to make it as fast as possible, and let's just all go green. So I'm going into the Nubian 2 palette. I'm going in color Jezebel. I'm going to use it to depth out my crease. After doing this, you see that I have achieved the depth that I want. So I'm going to go back into my Nubian 2 palette again, into the color Kenya, to further deepen my crease, my outer V, sorry. I just want to use the same brush, sorry, to blend out everything before I go in with my green. So in that picture, I did not cut my crease or anything. I remember, I don't even know how to cut crease then. I don't even think cutting crease was a thing then. So, but I am going to put, I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk, just so that, you know, I get the depth that I want, so that the color, the green, can actually stick right. In that picture, the green I used was from Mary Kay, because I used to be a Mary Kay consultant. I'm still a Mary Kay consultant. I had a lot of Mary Kay eyeshadow, so I used everything I used on that picture was from Mary Kay. But now I don't have my Mary Kay eyeshadows here, so I'm going to be going in with my Nubian 2 palette in the color Egypt. I'll be mixing it a little bit with Masquerade in the color Mali. So I'm going in, guys, with my NARS highlighter in medium dark 2.6 walnut. I'm gonna go in first with that. With my Sephora Dulce de Leche concealer. That truck is crazy. Okay, it's done. All right, guys, so Sephora don't have this anymore. I went to get more of this, and they told me that they condensed all the colors into one. I don't even understand. Like, I was so pissed. I was like, why would you people condense this Dulce de Leche? Because I love this highlighter so much, but I think I'm running out of it now. But you know what a girl will do, we will squeeze the life out of this. You know my girls now, the way we take squeeze, we'll squeeze the life out of it. It must come out. So let's just go. Yes, I told you guys it will come out. You see? Ninja sense. finish powder in dark deep. So I'm going with my BH Cosmetics 124 brush. Am I the only one that uses one color of blush? Like, I don't think I've ever changed. It's a blush palette and I use just one color in it. Wow. It's time to glow. Let's glow. We are glowing soon, baby. This glow look. So what I'm gonna do right now before I go ahead to my lips is that I'm going to put a little bit of glow right here on my tear dot. I feel it's gonna give the look, it's gonna illuminate the eyes a little bit, although it's not on the original look that I created, but I'm just putting it here because it kind of go along with this top and it illuminates my tear dot. Right ahead onto our lips, like in the picture. I'm gonna insert this picture right here. Every time I talk about the picture, it's gonna be here, 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 or here, whatever. So it's nude lips. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm going to, at the end of this video, I'm actually going to put a picture, or maybe I'll insert it somewhere right now, the one that I created, like the look I'm recreating. So what I used for my lip what is a matte lip color Miss Rose Professional Makeup, and this is actually for my friend. I just took it from her makeup bag. I did not tell her. Don't tell her. So the other one that I use is MAC Hug Me, this one right here. So that's because I did not bring any of my, I don't have my nude lipsticks here, so don't blame me, don't say anything. So I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, you know, do everything doable. Sleep on my channel, comment on my channel, tell me nice things, tell me the looks that you guys want me to create, and I will definitely create it for you guys. And I want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for everything. Don't forget, in all my videos of late, I have been telling you guys I'm going to have a giveaway soon. Let's get to 500. Please guys, let us get to 500. You see, I have stepped up my game. I'm shooting videos now for you guys. I'm not letting bad internet work or, you know, anything hold me down. I will, you know, show you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and until I see you guys on my next video. Bye.